Mike McCallum, famously known as the Bodysnatcher, wasn't just a boxer. He was a master technician, a three-division world champion, and Jamaica's first ever world boxing champion. His ability to break down opponents with surgical body punches earned him a reputation as one of the most feared fighters of his era. He held titles in junior middleweight, middleweight, and light heavyweight, all while maintaining the incredible feat of never being knocked out in his professional career. On May 29, 2025, at age 68, McCallum tragically passed away. Reports indicate he fell ill while driving to the gym in Las Vegas, pulling over before being found unresponsive. The boxing world mourns the loss of a fighter whose precision, resilience, and mastery set him apart. Achievements that speak for themselves. McCallum dominated the boxing scene for years. First Jamaican world champion, 1984. Three-division world title holder. Never knocked out in his professional career. Inducted into the International Boxing Hall of Fame, 2003. Ranked among the best middleweights of all time. 7-time RJR Gleaner Sportsman of the Year. His name belongs among the greatest, and yet, despite his incredible impact on sports, Jamaica's government never officially honored him. For all his brilliance, McCallum never received a national award like the Order of Jamaica, an omission that now feels painfully glaring. The tributes are pouring in, but he can't hear them because Jamaica waited too long. Mike McCallum didn't need a medal to prove his greatness, but giving legends their flowers while they can appreciate them is how a country shows respect for its icons. Now, the question lingers. How many more heroes will Jamaica overlook until it's too late? Rest well, Bodysnatcher. Your impact is untouchable, and your legacy will never fade.